morning, everybody. So this is day 4, 5 in New York, and guess what? It is snowing. It is so cold. It's like freaking cold. It's like, I don't know, it's like 0 degrees. We're staying in Greenwich Village. Did I mention that? Yeah, we're staying in Greenwich Village, and it's a beautiful area in New York. Hey, look guys, it's snowing. Oh, now the snow is really coming down. Wow, it's beautiful. It's cold, but it's beautiful. Whoa, 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 it's a blizzard. What do you think? First snow in New York?
Yes, this is the first day of that I watched snow in this year.
Yes.
Hatsuyuki. Hatsuyuki in New York. First snow in New York.
At first, I thought the snow was beautiful. It is still beautiful, and it's quite romantic. However, I did my hair, and now my hair is covered with snow. And
No,
most
just
likely,
you aged.
oh shut up. And most likely, my hair is gonna be ruined for the film shoot today. Damn you, snow! Damn you! Okay, filming day, guys. It's incredible because the set is facing outside and it's actually snowing.
Oh, it's down. So, oh, there.
Hello everybody, so this is our last day of filming here at YouTube Space in New York, and I'm really excited. We are collaborating with a Brazilian channel, and yesterday we did one with a Mexican channel, yeah, we're kind of excited. Oh, we also got a Thai YouTuber here, and he is like hilarious. And by the way, it is snowing. Oh, and here we go. We are collaborating with this guy here.
Yeah!
Here you go. So, what's your name and what's your channel?
I'm Renato, Nerd Show from Brazil.
Nerd Show.
Yeah.
Okay, and we know we got a lot of nerds. You guys?
Yeah.
You guys are nerds. I'm a nerd. You guys are nerds. Check him out, guys. Excited to collaborate with this guy today.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, we finished filming in the AM, and now we're outside again, and it's snowing. It's snowing so hard. It's so hard to see, and the snow is hitting our faces. Anyway, we're gonna get some pizza. Pizza for lunch, right?
Yes.
Let's do that. Okay, pizza place, massive failure. It's completely crowded and no seats available, and we don't have much time, so we're looking for another place to eat. Can you guys see this snow? Like, it is snowing like crazy. But that doesn't mean I don't love it. I know I look like I'm like, oh, I hate snow, but actually it's actually kind of nice. What do you think of the snow, Satoshi?
Snow is my it's nothing. It's so common for me.
Common for you.
Yeah.
Right.
I was born in Yamagata.
Right. Snow country.
Yes.
I was born in Hawaii. Sun country. Yeah. But check out the snow, people. It is snowing. You know, we met so many, on this YouTube creator camp, at this YouTube creator camp, there are people from all over the world, and many of them are like from places where it never snows, like Brazil or Mexico, and so they're like super excited. For us, you know, snow happens pretty much every year, but in Tokyo it's very rare that it snows this much. Yeah. Ooh, look at that Christmas tree. The Christmas tree. Oh, check out this Christmas tree, guys. This is like in the middle of the city. Oh, that's beautiful. Woo. Eh? 湿ってる? So we had the pizza and we're walking along the High Line. Yeah, I know, crazy when it's snowing like this. It's actually partially closed because of the snow and the ice, but this is what it looks like. Oh, you made a snowball. Oh, it's cold. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the city side from the High Line. As you can see, it's snowing like crazy. We're back in YouTube studio. One more video to go.
And talk about your channel as well.
Oh, can I? Okay. From Japanese?
Yeah.
Okay. こんにちは皆さん。Hi everybody. My name is Satoshi from Tabi Eats from Japan.
Okay.
Our channel is Food and Travel. If you have interest in, please check our channel.
Okay, good.
Okay guys, we are done for the day. Filming is all done. Thank you YouTube Studio for having us. It was such a pleasure meeting all the creators here from all over the world. It was an experience that will always be remembered. Hey guys, guess where we are? We are at New York's Times Square. You know what? The last time I was here was like a long time ago. I don't remember it being this bright. It's like so bright, it's almost like daytime here.